Today, I am here to show you the Incekum Forest Camp, prepared for a wonderful nature experience, where green meets blue in Alanya, Avsallar, the pearl of the Mediterranean. An ideal place for a holiday full of magnificent views, private Incekum beach, fresh air, and various nature opportunities. Integrate with nature and collect wonderful memories with caravan areas, tent areas, daily picnic areas, alcohol-free markets under the shade of pine trees. Hello everyone! Today we are in Incekum. Incekum is located in Alanya Avsallar district. It offers a wonderful experience where you can start the day with the sounds of birds and sea in the arms of nature, away from the chaos of the city. Moreover, it is very easy to reach.
First, you need to buy your entrance ticket. Entry by motorcycle is 45 Turkish lira for one person. Entry by vehicle is 90 Turkish lira. Overnight accommodation in a tent is 135 Turkish lira. And overnight accommodation in a caravan is 225 Turkish lira for 4 people.
You also know that there are people staying in the bungalows you see here. The current nightly price of the bungalows here is 1,500 Turkish lira. Bungalow houses are quite useful and beautiful. Located in a wonderful place surrounded by nature. The bungalows are very nice, carefully designed, comfortable bungalows where you can start the day with the sounds of birds in the pine forests in the arms of nature, away from the chaos of the city. You can have an unforgettable holiday experience at Incekum Forest Camp, where the tranquility of nature and comfort are created. It is a perfect opportunity to integrate with nature and renew yourself. You head down the stairs and deeper into the camp. Incekum Forest Camp is a very popular destination for those who want to have a holiday surrounded by nature. The camp stands out with its clean air, pine forests, and proximity to the sea. The camping area takes its name from its fine golden sands. Surrounded by pine trees, this large area offers a cool and peaceful environment in the summer months. It offers an experience in touch with nature, accompanied by birdsong and sea breeze. You can bring your own tent and camp here. Tent sites are generally in the shade of trees. This provides protection from the sun in the summer months. There is also a caravan area here. Electricity, water and wastewater services are also provided. Caravan sites are tidy and spacious, with enough space allocated for each caravan. You can take your morning walks in the forest you have seen. You can wake up to the sounds of birds and take a peaceful walk in nature and do other sports easily. It is quiet right now because it is winter. But local vacationers never leave this place empty. As you can see, there are many picnic areas in the forest.
İlk yol geri dönüş.
You can walk in the forest safely and peacefully. There are a few of these houses you see around here. Usually there are security guards staying there. You can also collect your wood if you want. The black things you see on the ground right now fell from the tree. They are called pine cones. They are usually burned in stoves or used to light fires. Campers prefer this a lot. With the winter season, the trees shed their leaves and it became clear that winter had arrived. The leaves changed color and it looks wonderful, just like a painting. Isn't it so? Even though it is winter, it is still green here. Red flowers and greenery are constantly around you. You find peace. The paths here are divided into several places on the walking paths, and you can find where you want to go by using the signs. Also, the place you see on the right here is a place of worship. You can pray here. There are also toilets and showers. The place you see on the right ahead is a market. You can meet all your needs here. There are also needs such as electricity, water, Wi-Fi. There is also a laundry and drying service. From the current walking path, you can immediately turn right and go down to the beach.
There are picnic tables here, as you see. Visitors can have picnics and stay here. There is a children's park and a restaurant ahead. I am currently walking towards the beach.
A wonderful sea and a wonderful sand. It combines with the energy of the sun. It gives you peace. As you can see, a sea welcomes you from one end to the other. During the summer months, you can place sun lounges in these areas and safely sunbathe and swim in the sea.
The seawater is quite clean. The sand is very beautiful. It is golden yellow and fine-grained, a very special sand. I leave you alone with the magnificent sound of the sea. Then we will continue where we left off.
We continue where we left off. After listening to the magnificent sound of the sea, we leave the beach to move deeper into the Incekum Forest Camp. After climbing the stairs, I head back into the forest camp and continue walking. Before I forget, a reminder. In the restaurant, which does not serve alcohol, you can find everything from buffet breakfast to seafood. You can also purchase light snacks and drinks at the campsite. Yes, I'm still walking. As you can see, people are starting to come here. It's especially busy on weekends. It can be very difficult to find a spot. In fact, you may have to come early in the morning during the summer months. There are hotels on the right and left sides of the camp. The camp and the hotels are separated. It is forbidden to light a fire here without a barbecue or brazier. Precautions are being taken against the risk of fire. Visitors who come here are warned about forest fires. Other than that, you can move around comfortably. It has a wonderful sea. You should definitely swim. The place you see is the end of the forest camp. This leads to the rocky island at the far end. You can also proceed from here by the path. I will now proceed to the other side from here. I will show you another picnic area and the view. Yes, I'm moving towards the other area now. It's noon now. People have started to arrive. They're making picnic preparations. Visitors who came early in the morning are also here.
Visitors here also benefit from free toilets, clean water, and other facilities.
Today I wanted to show you the İncekum Forest Camp, located in Alanya, Avsallar, the pearl of the Mediterranean, prepared for a wonderful nature experiment in the heart of nature, where green meets blue. For more of my hiking videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and turn on notifications. See you in new locations. Thanks for watching.